This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Land Rover Discovery service light. We'll cover the common manual reset procedure, discuss variations for different models, and highlight when it's best to seek professional assistance. Understanding these steps can save you time and ensure your vehicle is properly maintained. Let's get started with the basics of why this light appears. For many Land Rover Discovery 3 models, a manual reset is straightforward. First, ensure your ignition is off. Then, press and hold the left instrument panel reset button. While holding, turn the ignition to position 1, which is accessories, but do not start the engine. Keep the button pressed for about 5 seconds until Reset SIA flashes on the display. Release the button, then press it again to confirm the reset. Newer Discovery models, like the Discovery Sport and Discovery 4, often use a different pedal-based reset method. Begin by opening both the bonnet and the driver's door. Turn the ignition on without starting the engine. Then, fully depress both the brake and accelerator pedals simultaneously. Hold them down for approximately 60 seconds until a service reset message appears on your display. Remember, resetting the service light only clears the reminder. It doesn't fix any underlying mechanical issues. If the light reappears quickly, it's crucial to have your vehicle inspected by a professional. Some newer Land Rover models may also require specialized diagnostic tools for a complete and accurate reset. Always ensure your vehicle receives regular servicing to prevent these warnings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.